If you have $1 million idea in your mind because you cannot draw and you give up, that is insane. Here are 3 steps. You can turn your idea using AI into your best product with Alphinova. Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you about the story. Today, I'm going to show you, without knowing how to draw, with just ChatGPT, you can turn your idea become real. Of course, with a little bit help from us, Alphinova Taiwan. Hi, I'm Leon. Welcome back to my video. I have a customer who never studied design and cannot even draw a line, but he knows what he wants. Are you one of those who have a brilliant product idea in your head but just couldn't bring it to life because you just could not draw or design? Don't worry, in 2025, this is no longer a barrier. You don't need to go to art school or having a fancy, expensive software. What you need is just to have creativity and ChatGPT. Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you about the story. This may sound familiar to you. You have an idea on how to create a cool t-shirt, innovative home item, or even a unique car accessories. But the problem is you cannot draw. And when you try to explain your idea to factory just couldn't understand you and you feel really disappointed. How about getting some outsourced designer or build a design team? Well, it works, but it is too expensive and it is also time consuming. But now, with AI, you don't need to know how to draw. What you need to do is having the ability to describe your idea to AI. So let's continue with our story. This client wants to make a seat cover that looks like a medieval knight armor. He wants the design to have a rivet and a true bold medieval style. And I know he cannot use any software to do it. So, we teach him how to use ChatGPT to create prompts. And the prompt looked like this. Design a car seat cover inspired by medieval knight armor with metal rivet style decorations featuring 3D shadows effect and suitable for flat printing. From ChatGPT created first image. He is not happy with the first image that he got. So he continues to modify the prompt over 10 images. So after 10 over try, the final image provided by the AI get closer and closer to what he wants. And eventually he got the exact image close to his idea. But you know, AI images wasn't a production ready layout. Normally you get a lower resolution images. And this is where Alphinova Taiwan steps in and help him. After we confirming the images is what he wants, we upscale the resolution of the image. So we clean up the image and adjust it to fit our universal US car seat dimension that we already have. This is because Alphinova Taiwan has been making seat cover for US and Japanese car market for more than 20 years. We have a lot of different die-cut molds for different applications, especially for seat cover. After we confirm the final design, the next step is to choose the right fabrics. For this design, my client wants the seat cover to be waterproof and at the same time comfortable. So we decided to try different options. At the end, we decided to choose waterproof fabric with high density foams backing. So now, the seat cover is waterproof, at the same time soft, durable, and sleek. In order to make all the rivet on the design look real, we decided to use high definition printing on the fabric. That means we use special inks and textures so to make the images stunning. And we also use high quality ink to make sure no fading and no peeling off. After confirming the prototype of the seat cover, customer decided to place order for that seat cover. And today, that seat cover became one of his top selling items listed in major US stores and platforms. And this is how we help our customer who cannot draw, using ChatGPT to turn his idea into images and then making his dream become real with our help. In this case, it takes less than 2 months to complete the whole project. If you have an idea in mind you cannot draw, just go to ChatGPT and let ChatGPT generate those images. Find the one you like the most, send it over to us. And like in this case, we will work on the rest for you. Some of you may be curious, what is the exact way we use to help? So here are 3 steps. You can turn your idea using AI into your best product with Alphinova. And this is step 1. Use AI and describe your idea. And this is step 2. Generate image that up to your satisfaction and send it to us. And this is final, step 3. Alphinova Taiwan will take care of everything from your ChatGPT design to prototyping a product for you to see in real item. Not only that, we also help you to make the best plan on how to take care of the mass production and packaging. Over 25 years, we have been helping a lot of customers doing this. And Alphinova is here to bring your idea to life. Never let your idea get stuck in your minds again. Let's do it together. Make it your next $1 million success. Let me know if you like this video. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe so you will not miss our next episode of video. And hi, I'm Leon. I will see you soon.